When I had gone to get a cell phone from Cingular, I had no clue that there was a thing called a credit report. And they told me that I was denied and I needed a cosigner because I had an eviction from where I got an apartment as a teenager. I'm Julia King. I am a credit score improvement specialist. I've been doing it for 18 years. It drives my life. It's like my second baby. I help to change their lives by improving credit scores. And what that does is it helps people to purchase homes and to be able to get a car loan so that they're not walking. If someone has better credit, they're paying 0%. Someone who has poor credit can be paying as much as 24%. I got into credit repair 18 years ago. From there, I learned and studied and figured out how to clean my own credit up. After I fixed my own credit, then I was a real estate agent in South Carolina, and I was able to help people that could not get a home be able to purchase a home. And it felt so good to take them to the closing table that I decided to devote my entire life to fixing people's credit and changing their lives. Today I have somebody closing on a loan that came to me with a 530 credit score 4 months ago. Now they're closing at 1 o'clock this afternoon with a 723. They're taking all of their other debt, they're combining it and still lowering their payment by $500 a month. That feeling to know that they're going to the closing table today is so exciting, and that's what drives my mission of helping change lives. Another client I had never known that their student loan payments were due. They had a multi-million-dollar car lot. They went to go get another floor plan and realized that they had 90 days late on 20 or 22 student loans. So they contacted us, we were able to reconsolidate those student loans, get those 22 accounts removed off of their credit report, and now they have 2 car lots. Liquor distribution companies at Christmas time, they need a lot more volume and supplies to be able to provide to the stores. And when they do that, they have to have credit, and their credit accounts are due in 30 days. They were unable to get the capital and were having to turn down orders. So we were able to get them the money so they could get through that busy season. And now their business is flourishing. The thing I enjoy most is when I'm able to change someone's lives and they share their story with someone else and they do a video testimony or they write me a review on my website. That means that I'm gonna reach 10 other people and be able to change their lives too. If you are tired of going through and applying for things and trying to grow your life and to build wealth and getting turned down from the bank, and you're stuck renting an apartment in a not safe area and you want to better your life for you and your kids, give our team at King Financial a call at 502-689-1001. For all you realtors and mortgage people out there who are turning down clients and just walking away from them, help them save their lives. Have them call me and my team. Don't turn them down. Help them close that deal. If you're not closing the deal, you're not making money. So be their superhero and have 10 to 15 of their friends call you for that house and that loan. Look forward to talking to you.